Well, sorry guys. I failed. I had put my recorder on screen instead of monitor capture, so you could just see I blacked out there. So, I did this one. It was fairly simple. We had a new... Just show you this real quick. Blah blah blah, Lord. We fought this dude. I explained how... Oopsies. I explained how this dude with his lifesteal, and when he was attacking him, wasn't getting any health back because he got 10% of the damage that he dealt to the person back. Blah blah blah. He deals 10% for every hit. I'm not gonna go into death anymore. But we beat him. Quit. Yes. We got this sword, which gives 50%. Blah blah blah. And yeah, we beat this one. So we're gonna go to this one. Sorry guys that you missed that. I am so sorry. I have the audio, but I don't have the screen. It's just black screen. Ooh, 7. So this will be nice. And it is warm in my room. And you see some of my older videos. My voice is so much higher pitched. It's hilarious how higher pitched it is. Do that. Do that. And let's go lose, or let's do this. Oh, do that. See what ability? Let's see something. Decreases armor by 10. I still like the Reaper dude more. The Reaper dude looks so much cooler. Cursed Mage. Okay. Start another round. Do this. They all die. I do that. Boom. And we do this. We do this like we did the one game not too long ago. And then we wait. Go into battle, we do this. Got some gnarly range on him. Do. Remember, never go the... Never... I'll show you. No, death. But never, ever get this dude. Not worth it. Not worth it. Just not worth it. You'd be better off getting healing, dude. Oops, didn't even mean to use that. I'm so used to hitting right click to cancel an ability, League of Legends. And he'll get the XP from killing him, which is nice. And he didn't get any damage dealt to himself, so that was also nice. And destruction. And doop. But it's simple. Every round I'm using the lightning just to get rid of everyone. Keeping that guy in the corner to give me more mana back. And I upgrade once around. And also, every time he gets a kill from that, he gets a bunch of XP, so yeah. And let's do that. And then we're gonna save up for the axe dude and then the ice wizard. Or the archer. One of these two. They're both really good. Not gonna use my ability this round because I want to save mana. And then can't buy anything. Let's go next round. Ooh. Now this guy. It's been a while since you're starting to get into the tier 3 enemies. And there's some pretty crazy tier 3 enemies. I call them tier 3 enemies because you don't. It's like these guys are tier 1, then you have the zombie, that giant swordsman, the lich person, the dude that looked like he was throwing like a boomerang type thing. Those guys, those are all in my opinion tier 2. And then yeah, then you got the bosses. I think there are some tier 3 though that are pretty OP. And he's gonna die. There we go. And saying that I don't have enough. Oh darn it, I didn't hit the button. Yeah, like the zombie. Or the meat thrower. That could have been a total failure. I'm gonna do that. Don't want this guy dying. And then there. He dies before he gets there. And then let's go with movement speed. Zombie. But yeah, it's kind of simple, same thing until we start getting to some of the harder levels. Now, here's another tier 3. Zombie spoiler, whatever. He's gonna be hard. I'm gonna need to get him. Do 0.5 damage. That's pretty nice. And then now we're gonna start getting his attack speed up. Yeah. And he is getting totally wrecked by this dude. Ignores armor of the target. Ooh, yeah, that's annoying. Oh yeah, 2 shots. 3 shots. Yep. Sorry I'm being quiet right now. And then we get him, he should help keeping him alive, blah blah blah. And he's... Come on, please heal him. Please heal him. Get some damage on him. Oh yeah, that guy's still in the corner there. Forgot about him. We'll trade him out here in a while. But first I'd have to save up a lot of money before I trade him out. And instead of just buying them then leveling up one time, just buy them at the tier that I want them. And then they all get destroyed. Buy him. And there's an annoying person. Just kill all these guys. And then we go here. If you hear me cut out, it's because when my siblings or dad or mom are talking to me. Yeah, youngest in the family. It's awesome. Just as a warning, I think I might not have enough time, because this was going a little bit longer than I thought it would. This was taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Yeah, this is taking a while. We might get to see me upgrade my guys to tier 4, which would sadly get rid of all his upgrades, which you will see in a minute. So I'm actually going to get him to tier 4 first. So I'm going to save up. I'm actually not going to upgrade the dude down here. Meat thrower. Not chest, but gives some good money. And then all my guys get wrecked. Same old, same old. But we are dealing damage to him slowly but surely. Which is nice! Very, very, very nice. Okay, that's gonna be a little bit of a pain in the butt. Yeah, you see that guy? He's pretty nice. So I had to upgrade him to the barbaric person instead of the other one, which you can't think of at the moment. So he just used 2 abilities. That means he's starting to get a little bit desperate. Instead of upgrading him to this guy, I upgraded him to this guy. Either one works. Either one works. And we almost have enough to get that guy leveled up. A jam. And then just having all these people are getting a little bit hard. Oh wow. Oh, that's not good. That is very not good. They might not even get too many chances to even hit him. Nope, not even one. Okay, see, all his upgrade disappeared. All of them. Yep, all of them. But now he got so much attack speed. You will tremble in the might. Oh my god. Just look at that. That was beautiful. It was so beautiful. I need to get him more armor. And then kill his meat thrower. Next one I'll probably do is the Ice Wizard. Voice crack. So hard. Voice cracked. I'm gonna get him up to improve Ice Lord. To improve Lord of Ice. Yeah, he'll be pretty boss. But that damage though. But he literally, when he gets near him, he will literally have no armor, which is not good. Not good. Oh, another tier 3, which I forgot about. You start seeing a lot of those in the later levels. And then we get him, and now everything's just dead. Increases armor by 7%. Yeah, everything's just dead now. And then another tier 4. Or 3, excuse me. Let's try and end this right now. So you can look at that attack speed going into him. But it was not enough. And then we go in this next one, and I want to end it. So I'll try my very best to end it right here, right now. Because my parents are coming home, so I'm going to have to cut this one short. Yeah, it's going to be a bit of a short video, so sorry guys. And GG. And I will see you guys. Oh, got this. Increase it. Now I have more mana. Cool. I'm gonna upgrade. Let's upgrade that. Now I will see you guys in the next video. Later. Wait, what? Later.